Hello everybody, I am Mrs. Shivani Pundalik, Assistant Professor of English from Government EVPG College, Korba, Chhattisgarh. I am here today to discuss a topic for second SEM, Paper 2, Drama, Unit 5, the play Mother Courage and Her Children, written by Bertolt Brecht. Bertolt Brecht was born in 1898 and he died in 1956. He was a German playwright, poet and a theatre director, and he wrote this play Mother Courage in the year 1939. This play has been considered to be the greatest play written by Brecht, and it has been considered as the greatest anti-war play of all times. This play was written during the Second World War, and through this play, the writer brings out his hatred, his aversion to the pointlessness of war. The setting of the play is in 17th century Europe during the 30 Years' War. The 30 Years' War was basically a civil war which began in Germany and on religious grounds, and very quickly it became an international war for religion, and it went on for 30 long years. It was a war between the Catholics and the Protestants. So during the war, there was a lot of bloodshed, there was a lot of loss of lives and property, and Brecht was very much against the war. In Germany, Nazism was gaining force, and Brecht was very much against this unjust growth, and he voiced his opinions through this play. The play has few major characters and few minor characters. The action of the play deals with 12 years of the war, and they are represented by 12 scenes in the play. The most important character of the play, as the very title suggests, is Mother Courage. So it is a story of a mother who fought against all odds to keep her 3 children safe, but the writer uses irony as an important tool to show how Mother Courage was the least courageous of anybody, and she lost all the 3 children to the war. The main character here, Mother Courage, is called Anna Feierling. She has 3 children: Eilif, the eldest son, Swiss Cheese, the second son, and Catherine, the third child, who is a daughter who is dumb. The next important character is Fyodor Potier. She is a prostitute who plays an important role in the play. The other 2 characters worth mentioning are the chaplain and the cook. Now, through this particular play, Brecht's dramatic theory is revealed here. He speaks of the epic theatre. Now, the epic theatre is contrasted with the dramatic theatre. He compounded this theory of the epic theatre, where he believed that the role of the theatre or the drama was not to entertain the people but to educate them. He felt that the drama should not emotionally involve the people, but it should allow them to think rationally and come to conclusions. The play is a classic example of the epic theatre, and he uses the literary devices like placards and songs and symbols to bring forth his ideas. There are several themes in the play, the most important one being the theme of war. The story begins where Mother Courage gets the name when she drives her cart into the battlefield. Mother Courage is a woman who runs a canteen on her cart and supplies food and other essential items to the soldiers during the war. She is a very important character, a woman who is unsympathetic, who is very hard hitting, and who is not at all emotional. She is money minded. She wants the war to continue because the war is a source for her earning. And during the play, you find that when peace is declared, Anna Fairling or Mother Courage gets very upset and very angry that why the war had come to an end. She believes that she is working for the safety of her children, but she disowns her children at one point or the other in the play. The three characters of the children are very distinct. Both the sons join the army at one point, and Eilif is a very dashing and a very brave young man,